Can a YouTube TV enable sound? Yes, YouTube TV supports sound, but if you're experiencing issues where sound is not working, it may be due to device settings, connection problems, or app glitches. Follow these steps to ensure sound is enabled and functioning. 1. Check volume and mute settings. Step 1. Ensure your device volume is turned up and not muted. Step 2. Use your TV or streaming device remote to adjust the volume. Step 3. Check the YouTube TV app to ensure no in-app mute or volume control is set to 0. Step 2. Check audio settings on your device. Step 1. Access your TV or device's audio settings. For smart TVs, go to Settings Sound Output and ensure the correct audio output, TV speakers or external sound system, is selected. For streaming devices, check audio settings in the device menu, Settings Audio. Step 2. Set the audio format to a compatible option, like stereo or Dolby Digital, if available. 3. Restart YouTube TV and your device. Step 1. Close and reopen the YouTube TV app. Step 2. Restart your device. For TVs, unplug from the power source for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. For streaming devices, use the restart option in settings. Step 4. Check HDMI or cable connections. Step 1. Ensure HDMI or audio cables are securely connected if using an external device like Roku, Chromecast, or Fire Stick. Step 2. Try a different HDMI port or cable to rule out hardware issues.